Glam girls, welcome back to another video. So we have another try on haul. This is not sponsored, yay. So it is H&M, and so I wouldn't say that I'm like an avid H&M shopper, but I'm definitely someone who shops at H&M on a regular basis yearly. So like other places I shop every couple weeks, like Pretty Little Thing, ASOS, Fashion Nova, right? But H&M is one of those places that I shop maybe like every 5-6 months. I find their plus size line to be kind of like and it's very like minimalistic fashion. I do like H&M. I feel like they're like a less expensive Zara or like a budget Zara in a good way. I really do like their accessories and stuff like that. I used to shop at H&M a lot more when I was younger because I would be in the city a lot, and there's a lot of H&M stores in Manhattan. So I used to buy a lot of like tops, and in the fall I do find that I shop at H&M more because I buy a lot of their sweaters, and I find that they have a lot of oversized pieces that can actually work as like regular size plus size. Not super excited, like I think everything's gonna fit amazingly, but I am very curious. So let's see what everything looks like. I haven't even opened the box yet. I just got my package. This is the box. It has the little H&M thing here. Pick up quite a few cute things and a lot of tops. So let's start. So this first top is really cute. I got it because my mom was wearing it for her birthday. So if you follow me on Instagram, you saw in my story she was wearing this really cute like two-piece set, and it was this with the matching skirt. The skirt doesn't come in plus size, and the top only goes to 18, so I got an 18, but it is small. There's no stretch besides the little smocking detail in the back. You can see right here, this part does stretch, so it does give you some extra room, especially for like moving around, for sitting. You get that extra room because it expands a few inches, which is nice. And then the front part is like that thin woven non-stretch material. The straps are adjustable. My favorite detail, of course, is the little tie detail in the back. I think that's so cute. I did like the print and the colors. But I feel like it does run a little bit small. I don't know. I feel like I expected a little more boob room, especially if it's gonna be a size 18. I feel like this fits more like a 16. You don't have to wear a bra with it because it kind of is like a bra in itself. I'm not wearing a bra or anything right now, and I think it looks pretty decent. Like I can kind of give myself a little cleavage because it's tight enough, and I could always tighten it even more by adjusting the straps. So I'm here for it. And these tops are also very affordable. So this is called the tie detail camisole. Okay, so again, this next top is more like a bralette because you can see kind of just looks like a bikini top, but it's meant to be a crop top. Again, it is small, so you can see how it's almost like sandwiching my boobs. Again, this is an 18, no stretch. Again, I feel like this is more like a 16. This is run a few inches small. Back, it has a zipper and then a button on the top. So the way that I had to put it on was like a bra. I had to put the zipper on from the front, then turn it around and put everything else on. Maybe if I make the strap longer, it'll feel a little bit more comfortable. But I think it's so cute. I love it so much. I just don't know if it's worth keeping because I'm like, am I gonna wear it? I feel like with high waist pants, again, it would make a really cute top, but it is a bit small. If my boobs were a little bit smaller, it would have fit perfect, but what are you gonna do? I love it so much though. Plus size girls never get cute stuff like this. This next top is really cute. Again, I wanted it to be like kind of cropped. It is still kind of long because I'm short, but if I just kind of pull it up like that, then it's more of a cropped top. Again, this is a size extra large, and it's very stretchy. You can see, very comfortable. It's a very light, stretchy, like linen-ish material. And then it has the really trendy kind of, you can pull the shoulders up like this, which is how it's meant to be worn, but I like how it looks off the shoulder. It gives it a little bit more of that puffy sleeve look, which I really like, that romantic vibe. And yeah, their back is just straight. Everything is really, really nice and comfortable. I knew this top would fit really nicely. Probably could have even gotten a large to really give me like that cropped vibe. But that's why I'm so confused, because isn't extra large like a size 10, like 10, 12 or something? So why is the other thing that's an 18 so small? This is why I tell you guys, don't worry about sizes, just wear what fits, because sizes will have you up. Okay, so yeah, you can see it's really comfortable, has a band here. So I feel like if you're a 1, 2, 3, 4X, you can rock this extra large top as a crop top. Next top again is another cute little polka dot crop top, and this is also a size 18, and it is again not stretchy. It's that thin woven material, has this really cute little tie. It has buttons, adjustable straps, so you can kind of fix it a little bit, which I probably will. Again, you don't have to wear a bra with this, depends on the vibe you're going for. I was really trying to find a lot of like cute polka dot crop tops, because a lot of my polka dot pieces are like dresses, long sleeve tops, and I was like, I don't have any cute like off the shoulder polka dot tops, or like little camis, or like anything like that, and that's what I was looking for. So this one I'm gonna keep. It's super cute. Again, high waist pants, high waist skirt, high waist shorts. I can definitely see myself wearing this, and then in the fall you could always wear this with a duster over the top. It's always great to have cute little tops like this. And yeah, again, this is a size 18. Again, I do feel like this is small. Definitely like a small 18, but I guess it really just depends on the fabric, guys. If something has more stretch, you can get away with something smaller, you know what I mean? It's from the plus size range, and I don't think they're gonna fit. I was just taking a chance to see what it would fit like. I did get a size 24 because I was like, you know what, I'm not taking chances. I'm not gonna get a size 20. I'm gonna get 2 sizes bigger so that we have a chance. But to me, this still looks small. Like, this looks like a size 18. Like, this is not a 24. 24 should be like from here to here. Like, I'm gonna compare 24 with this, because I'm really good with like looking at something and knowing the size, and I'm good with shoes like that, with clothing. Like, I can look at someone and be like, I know their size, or like look at a piece of clothing and know the size. So when I look at this, I can already tell like this ain't gonna fit. The waistband is pretty wide though, but I'll try. Just as I suspected, these definitely don't fit. Yes, they're on, but that doesn't mean they fit. You can see right here, there's like pulling, because the material is too tight right at my hips. So even though it looks like, oh yeah, it looks good, no, it's really tight right here at the hip. And it's the kind of thing where you'll see people wear stuff like this, but you look at them and you're like, girl, that don't fit you. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't want to be that person. And sometimes as plus size women, or bigger women in general, we'll put something on and just get excited that it fit, and be like, oh yeah, I'm getting this. And I used to do that when I was younger, and I would buy things that was smaller because it made me feel better, even though I was like sucking myself into it. Now that I'm older, I'm like, I don't care if it's a size 40. I don't care if it's a size 100. If it fits me right and it looks good, I'm getting it. Like, I'm not ashamed that I need a 24 or a 26. You know what I mean? So if they had a 28 and it fit me, I'd be like, bitch, I'm wearing a 28 and I look good. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, they definitely don't fit comfortably. They're too short. I mean, they're not too short, but the hips here are too tight. The waist is a little bit big, but the waist is decent because I was able to tie it here. I do like the little paper bag detailing. It's cute or whatever. But you can see it's too low on my booty. Like, the belt is over the shorts. I feel like a sausage trying to sit down. This is a perfect example of why I don't love H&M and why I don't shop there. Because if this is a size 24, their clothes don't fit. Like, period, point blank. Like, I'm not gonna find anything there. Yeah, I'm not that girl. I'm not about to go on a diet to fit into some clothes when I could buy a bigger size. Okay. I gotta think about this stuff. Like, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep any of it. Besides the stretchy top, this one I'm gonna keep because obviously it's big enough. You can see that looks like a 1X at Forever 21. Like, that looks good. This top though, I do like. It's comfortable. I think I'm gonna try it on with my own options for bottoms that I would personally wear and see if I feel comfortable when I sit down. Do I feel like I'm gonna wear this? And maybe this yellow top. Okay, so I tried on everything again with my own shorts because I felt like with my own shorts that I feel comfortable in. These are from ASOS. I'll leave the link down below. I also did a whole blog post giving you guys a list of a bunch of really cute shorts that I found that I personally bought. How these fit properly. There's space. There's even a little space on my thigh. My hips are not completely suffocated. It's loose. You see the difference. It goes high enough in the back. It covers that. When I sit, there's no problem. Anyway, so I tried all the tops on with my own shorts and I'm a little bit happier. So I'm gonna keep all of the tops except for the little polka dot one, which is so sad because I was the most excited about this one, but I should have known it was gonna be too small. But you know, sometimes you wish. It is the kind of thing that if I kept it, if I lost some weight, it could fit down the line, but it's not worth it. I don't like keeping stuff that doesn't fit in the moment because it's just depressing. And once I do lose some weight, if I do, I can always buy something else. There will be another cute polka dot top. So I'm gonna return that top and the shorts, but I'm gonna keep the square top, the polka dot cami, and then this top. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Hope it was helpful so you could see what these pieces look like, because I don't feel like I ever really see like plus size H&M hauls. So let me know what you guys think. What do you think about H&M? Do you shop here? What are your thoughts? So let's get this discussion going in the comments. All right, I love you. Don't forget to stay glam. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.